Okay. Um. So in Java, you store programs. Hold up. You store programs with a specific data type so you can use them. Store programs within a specific data type so you can use them. Store programs with a specific data type so you can use them. Store programs with a specific data type so you can use them. Basically, you use PS1s, PS2s, and PS3s, like the game consoles. Like if you want to play like a game from the 90s, you buy a PlayStation 1. If you want to play a game from the 2000s, you buy a PlayStation 2. If you want to play a game from the 2010s, a PlayStation 3. So the smallest number is like the oldest console. PS1 is the smallest number. PS1 smallest number. PS1 smallest number. PS1 smallest number. And PS3 and up is the bigger numbers, bigger numbers. Okay, so byte. So we just need something where we can store a whole bunch of uh, stuff in like a small thing, and byte is like the smallest one. The size is 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits. That's really not important. Maximum value is like 127 characters or words. So you can type up to 127 words in it. You can type up to 127 words in 127 words in it. We're going to call this the PS1, the PS1, no, the PS0, the PS0, the PS0. Next is short. Short could be called the PS1. Alright, so byte is like 1980. The PS0 came out. PS0 1980, PS0 1980, PS0 1980. And short is the PS1 1990s. Short is PS1 1990s, short PS1 1990s. So instead of having up to 127 characters, like literally, like if this was like 100 or 60 characters, bam. But now the PS1 came out, bam, and all that. Now we can store all this information. Oh, 32, 7,000, oh, 32,000 characters. And yeah, 32,767 characters or negative 32,768 characters. I think that's like when you're writing backwards or something. We're just going to ignore that for now. Alright, for now, just think you can store up to 37,000 characters instead of 127. Yeah, PS1. Yeah, 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 graphics. We can store extra information. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. And then integer, the PS3 came out. Bam. Ah. Ah. You can store up to 2 billion characters, 2 billion characters, 2 billion characters. So now you can like take the whole page. Ah. 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 Yes. Okay. Now. Alright, and long. Hold up. Where are we at? Long is like the PS4, I think. Um, that number is like past the trillion or something. So, bam, PS4, a whole lot of information, like 3 of these pages or something like that. Okay. And you should just try and memorize these bits. Like literally, just keep repeating the same thing over. Blah blah blah. 8 bits, 8 bits, 8 bits for byte. 16 bits, 16 bits, 16 bits for shorts, 32, 32 for integer, 64 for long, 64 for long, 64 for long. Um, hold on. I can't really explain that right now. But just use the PlayStation analogy. So, um, for specific games, you don't want to use a PS4 when you're playing a PlayStation 1 because it's going to be like way too overpowered and it's just going to look all sloppy and unnecessary. And you just going to look like somebody with like a super big couch and you like 5'4" or something, and or you got like a super ultra king size bed and you like 5'4", or vice versa. If you like 7 foot tall and you got like a twin size mattress, you won't fit on it. So it's best for everything to go with the appropriate size. Everything go with the appropriate size. Everything go with the appropriate size. Everything go with the appropriate size. And floating point is like decimal point numbers. So float is like basically the same exact PlayStation analogy. We're just gonna call float. Um, hold up. All right, we're running out of time, so we'll just continue this in the next video.